Choosing the wrong PC case or an unreliable power supply can hurt your system's cooling, performance, and long-term stability. But the right combination delivers better airflow, cleaner cable management, and dependable power for every build. In today's video, we'll count down 5 PC cases and PSUs that stand out for their build quality, features, and overall value. Let's get started. Number 1. CORSAIR 4000D RS ARGB Mid-Tower ATX Case. The CORSAIR 4000D RS ARGB is a modular mid-tower case designed with airflow and flexibility at its core. The front panel uses a high airflow design paired with 3 pre-installed RS ARGB fans, allowing for consistent cooling across CPU and GPU zones. Inside, the spacious ATX layout supports modern motherboards and long graphics cards without crowding. The InfiniRail mounting system makes fan and radiator placement far more adaptable, helping builders fine-tune airflow without complex adjustments. Compatibility with Asus BTF, MSI Zero, and Gigabyte Stealth platforms also ensures cleaner cable routing for next-generation builds. From a usability standpoint, the 4000D RS focuses on efficiency and organization. The interior offers generous cable management channels, tie-down points, and easy access panels that simplify installation and maintenance. The tempered glass side panel provides a clear view of internal components without compromising airflow. Overall, this case delivers a balanced experience, combining cooling performance, future compatibility, and a refined internal layout that suits both first-time builders and experienced system integrators. Number 2. Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V3 Full Modular PSU. The Cooler Master MWE Gold 850V3 is built to support modern, power-hungry systems while maintaining efficiency and reliability. Rated at 850 watts with 80+ gold certification, it delivers stable power across demanding workloads. Full modular cabling allows builders to connect only what's necessary, improving airflow and cable management. Support for ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards ensures compatibility with current and upcoming graphics cards, making it a solid foundation for long-term system planning. In daily operation, the PSU remains quiet thanks to its 0 RPM fan mode, which disables the fan under low loads to reduce noise. When cooling is needed, the airflow-optimized hexagonal fan cover helps maintain thermal balance. The internal components are designed for consistent voltage delivery, which is especially important for gaming and productivity systems under sustained load. Overall, the MWE Gold 850V3 offers dependable performance, modern connectivity, and thoughtful design choices that make it a practical and future-ready power solution. Number 3. LIAN LANCOOL 207 Compact ATX RGB Case. The LIAN LANCOOL 207 is a compact ATX case that prioritizes airflow without sacrificing aesthetics. Its mesh front and top panels allow unrestricted air intake, supported by 2 pre-installed 140mm ARGB fans and 2 120mm PWM fans. This configuration ensures balanced cooling for both CPU and GPU components. Despite its compact footprint, the interior supports full-size ATX motherboards and modern cooling solutions, making it suitable for performance-focused builds in limited space. Usability is a strong point of the LANCOOL 207. The internal layout is clean and accessible, simplifying component installation and cable routing. A USB Type-C port on the front panel adds modern convenience, while the tempered glass side panel showcases internal lighting and hardware clearly. The white finish enhances RGB visibility without overwhelming the design. Overall, this case offers a thoughtful balance of airflow, size efficiency, and visual appeal, making it a versatile option for compact yet capable systems. Number 4. NZXT H5 Flow RGB 2024 Mid-Tower Case. The NZXT H5 Flow RGB 2024 is engineered to deliver efficient airflow in a compact mid-tower form. The ventilated front panel works alongside the included F360 RGB core fan to maintain consistent cooling across the system. Support for up to a 360mm front radiator and a 240mm top radiator provides flexibility for both air and liquid cooling setups. The internal airflow path is optimized to direct fresh air toward critical components, helping maintain stable temperatures during extended use. NZXT's signature cable management system makes the H5 Flow especially user-friendly. Integrated channels and anchor points keep cables organized and out of sight, resulting in a cleaner build. The tempered glass side panel offers a clear view of internal components while preserving structural integrity. With a focus on airflow efficiency, ease of assembly, and clean aesthetics, the H5 Flow ARGB delivers practical value for builders who want a modern case that performs consistently without unnecessary complexity. Number 5. LIAN LANCOOL 205 Mesh C White Case. The LIAN LANCOOL 205 Mesh C is designed for builders who prioritize airflow and simplicity. Its full mesh front panel allows unrestricted air intake, supported by 3 pre-installed ARGB PWM fans that provide steady cooling across the system. The mid-tower layout accommodates ATX motherboards and modern GPUs comfortably, making it suitable for both gaming and productivity builds. The white exterior gives the case a clean, modern appearance that pairs well with RGB lighting. Inside, the 205 Mesh C focuses on ease of use. The interior layout is open and straightforward, allowing for efficient cable routing and component installation. A USB Type-C port on the front panel adds modern connectivity, while the tempered glass side panel highlights internal components clearly. This case delivers a reliable airflow-focused design without unnecessary complexity, offering a practical balance of cooling performance, usability, and clean visual presentation. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.